Welcome to Dante Computer Solutions. On our exercise 3 of the Microsoft Office Word, we are requested to open a new word processing document, and we set the page layout as follows. 1. We change the margins to 1 inch all round, and the paper size we use A4 small. Then we create the following document as it appears in the page set in here. Then we save it as motivation in the next exam folder to print out later. So I have already typed this particular information on the Microsoft Office Word, and I have saved the work as motivation on my folder. Therefore, I'll simply open my folder, then I open the motivation. So just double click to open. I can maximize it. Good, so this is my work. So after typing this work, what you need to do is you need to work on it. And first we go to page layout, then we click on the margins. They say that we use 1 inch all round. So 1 inch is the normal one here. You can see that the top, left, bottom and right, they are all having 1 inch all around. Therefore you click on the normal. Then we go to size. They are requesting that we use A4 small. Therefore under the size, still under the page layout, you click on A4 small. So after that, we will first start by the header or the title. We select it. We click on the home tab. Then we click center to have it at the center. After that, we can click bold to bold this particular title. Then after that, we highlight. We select all the text on our document. Then we will separate this line. There is a line between such that we have 2 columns. Therefore you click on the page layout, you go to columns, then you choose more columns. Here you click 2, then you apply line between, then you press OK. So you can see that we have a line separating or in between this. So that is it. And then after that, so we have that. We have separated the line between. Then after that, we are going to highlight the first letter, which is S. Then you click insert. You go to drop cap. Then you apply dropped. So not forget that we said when you are saving your work, you make sure that the save as type, you make it rich text format before you do the formatting. So when you go to file save as, you make sure that the save as type you apply rich text format. That will really help you to make sure that all the formatting that you do, they will be appropriate. So after that, we can be able to now to apply this particular picture, and it's a smart art. There is a clip art. Therefore we go back to our work. We click on insert. We click on clip art. Then you can search for spots. So you type the word spots, then you click go, and you can be able to see that you have that picture here. So you click it, you close. After that, we apply the wrap text and you click on square. So after that, you can simply move the picture. And now we need this to match to only start at the other column. Therefore you click on the page layout, apply breaks, then you click columns. This is to indicate the text following the column break will begin in the next column. So you click that, and you can see that the 2 match begins exactly at the second columns. Therefore you can continue moving your picture and maybe click here, and you can space it a little bit so that it will fit exactly as it appears on our question. So this is the save button. You can click it to save the changes. After that, we go to the next question. And the next question says that open a blank Word document and save it as a new motivation. Then you copy the contents of the document named motivation and paste it in this document. Then apply the following formats and save the changes to print out later. So we are going to open a blank Word document. We save it as new motivation. Then we copy the contents of this document that we have typed, which is motivation, and we paste it in that new motivation. Therefore, first we save the changes, then on your keyboard you long press Ctrl and press letter A to select everything. You can right click, then you click copy. After that, you click on this white button here. It is new document. You want to create a new document, so you click it. You can maximize it. So after that, you just click on paste, and you can see that our work has been copied to the new document. So you can see that we have the motivation here, so you can close the motivation, and now we are requesting to save this as new motivation. So you just click file, you click save as. So we said that on the save as type you change and use rich text format, then you click on the file name and you write new motivation for the new document that you have created, and then you click save. So after that, we are going to apply the formats that I have provided. Number one, we are requesting to change the heading font to Baskerville font face. Then we change the heading font size to 18. And therefore, we will select the heading, which is the change management. You highlight it. Then we go to the font, and we are requesting to apply Baskerville font face. You click it. Then we go to size. They request us to increase the size to 18. So that is it. After that, we go to the next question, which says space between line 1.5 and 6 points before paragraph. Space between line 1.5 and 6 points before paragraph. Therefore, you can long press Ctrl on your keyboard and press letter A to select everything. You can see that we have the paragraph here. You just click the button, then you go to the line spacing. You click the line spacing and you click 1.5 lines. Then we have the spacing before. You apply 6 points, so you just increase the points to 6. So we have gone to paragraph. We click the arrow, then we selected the line spacing to 1.5 and we increased the spacing before to 6 points. Then you press OK. So you can see that we have some changes. After that, we proceed to the next question, which says insert a page border of your choice. Insert a page border of your choice. Therefore, you can just click on page layout, then you click on page borders. You can scroll downwards and choose the page border of your choice. For example, I can just pick this one, then I press OK. So you can see that we have the page border. After that, we have the last question, which says that you insert your name and the registration number as header and ensure the header is centered. So you click on insert, then you click on header. You choose the first one. On your keyboard, you click on tab to place that cursor at the center. Then you are requested to write your name, so I can write Daniel, or I can just type Dantech. Can type Dantech Computer Solutions. So they request you to write your name and admission number or registration number. So you can space and maybe write your admission number. So you can put a dash. Maybe I'll write any number. Admission number. They need an admission number. Then after you write, you just close header and footer. So you can see that you have your header there. Maybe I can bold it. Yeah, I can also change the font color if I need to, and use any color of my choice. So you can just change it to any color of your choice. So that is it. Then you just close header and footer, and you can see that the header applies at the top. So after that, you can also maybe apply you go to page layout, then you can apply the watermark. You click on watermark, then you can go to custom watermark. So it is loading. Then you click on text watermark and you can type the text that you want to apply. Okay. So you can write the text that you want to apply. So you can just write the name that you need to apply on that work. You can write Dante Computer Solutions. You can maybe change the color to whichever color you need, and you can click apply, then you press close. So you can see that you have applied a watermark, which is Dante Computer Solutions. So that is the end of our third exercise of the Microsoft Office Word. Do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching this video.